Today I'm going to show you how to make skin look soft and smooth in Premiere Pro. So I've just added a clip to my timeline, and if I zoom into the video, there are some visible pores that I want to smooth out. Go over and select the Object Mask tool, then hover your cursor over the person's face and left click to highlight it. Now for this effect, we want to smooth out her skin, but we don't want to smooth out the details of her eyes, mouth, and nose. Click this drop down and select the lasso tool, then click the subtract button here. Now start tracing the lasso around all the features of the person's face that you don't want smoothed out until it looks something like this. To create the smoothing effect, we're going to use a blur, so go over to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur and add the effect to your video. Now as you can see, there is clearly too much blur and it needs to be adjusted, so go over to Effect Controls and scroll down to Blurriness. Zoom way into your clip and lower blurriness to 0, then gradually add to the effect until the skin just starts to smooth out a bit. To blend out the effect and make it look slightly better, go over and modify Feather to 15.